So every Rainmeter skin works through backend plugins. Some themes use one type, some use another. In our case, we're going to tweak those plugins a bit and see if that fixes the issue. These plugins are the ones that actually pull your song info, show the artwork, and sometimes even control playback depending on how well everything syncs. It could be Spotify, VLC, whatever you're using. The whole thing depends on proper communication. So yeah, let's fix that. The skin you're seeing on the screen right now is a Rainmeter theme that's supposed to work with Spotify. The problem is, it's not controlling anything, or you can just say it's not syncing at all. Anyways, this right here is the Spicetify website, and from here we're going to download the Spicetify plugins. So the reason we install Spicetify first is because it basically opens up Spotify's backend so other tools can read its data properly. By default, Spotify doesn't expose much real-time info. Things like playback status, cover art refresh, track progress, and some metadata just stays blocked. And Rainmeter's WebNowPlaying plugin, which we'll download after Spicetify, depends completely on that live data to sync your Spotify music with the theme. Copy this PowerShell command, run PowerShell as administrator, and paste it in. After that, it's going to ask you, do you want to abort the installation process? Press Y for yes, N for no. We obviously want to install it, so press N. We're not stopping here. Now it'll ask if you want to install the Spicetify Marketplace. We don't need that. Hit N. Finally, type exit or just close it from the top. Now that's the second page. I'll drop both links in the description, so don't worry about it. Here it's simple. You can see this red zone with the arrow showing where to click. That's the download button. Click it. Now. Just tap on this white image to download it. After downloading, install the WebNowPlaying plugin. The best practice is to check both options, or just go with the first one, then hit install. Once everything's done, it's time to fix the script. Don't get confused. Some themes don't need this, but some do, especially the ones linked with Spotify and showing the song name, time, and almost full media player functionality. Over here, you can see the plugin section for different parts of the skin. Now we only need to replace two things. The first one is the plugin itself. As you can see, it's already set to WebNowPlaying, which is fine. In your case, it might show nowplaying.dll or something similar, so just type it manually as WebNowPlaying. And the second thing is the player name. Change it to Spotify because we're syncing it with Spotify. So the theme should only scan Spotify, nothing else that might be written there. That's all. After this, your problem should be resolved. If you've got anything in your mind, just let me know in the comments. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Mwah.